Imagine buying a premium SUV that promises luxury, advanced technology, and impressive efficiency, only to discover it costs significantly less than many European rivals. That's exactly where the 2027 BYD Denza M5 enters the conversation. It looks upscale, offers cutting-edge hybrid technology, and packs enough premium features to challenge brands that have dominated this segment for decades. But here's the real question. Is the Denza M5 genuinely a smart luxury SUV, or is it simply another feature-packed vehicle that falls short when real-world ownership begins? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a detailed look at the 2027 BYD Denza M5 to find out whether this premium SUV truly delivers on its promises, or whether buyers would be better off sticking with established competitors. The first thing you'll notice is the exterior design. The Denza M5 has a clean, modern appearance with sharp LED lighting, a bold front fascia, aerodynamic body lines, flush door handles, and large premium wheels. It looks sophisticated without trying too hard, and it easily stands out from traditional SUVs. While it may not carry the prestige of a BMW or Mercedes-Benz badge, the styling certainly doesn't feel like a budget alternative. Step inside and the cabin continues to impress. Premium leather upholstery, soft touch materials, genuine metallic accents, ambient lighting, and excellent fit and finish give the interior a truly upscale atmosphere. The massive central touchscreen is responsive and easy to use, while the fully digital instrument, cluster, and head-up display make the technology feel modern and intuitive. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air software updates, multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and an excellent premium sound system all come standard on higher trims. Passenger comfort is another strong point. Both front and rear occupants enjoy generous legroom and headroom, while supportive seats make long-distance travel comfortable. Cargo space is competitive for the segment, making the Denza M5 practical for families, road trips, and everyday errands. Under the hood, the plug-in hybrid powertrain combines a turbocharged gasoline engine with powerful electric motors to deliver quick acceleration and smooth performance. Electric-only driving covers many daily commutes, while the gasoline engine removes range anxiety during longer trips. Fuel economy is expected to be excellent for a vehicle of this size, especially if owners regularly charge the battery. Let's be real, performance isn't just about speed. The Denza M5 delivers refined acceleration, quiet cruising, and confident highway stability. Steering is light but accurate. Suspension tuning prioritizes comfort, and road noise remains impressively low. It's designed for relaxed luxury rather than aggressive corner carving, and for most buyers, that's exactly what matters. Technology extends well beyond infotainment. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, a 360-degree camera system, and intelligent parking assistance. These features make daily driving easier while improving overall safety. If towing matters to you, the Denza M5 should handle small trailers, boats, or recreational equipment without major issues, although dedicated towing enthusiasts may still prefer larger body-on-frame SUVs. Now, let's talk about price. The 2027 Denza M5 is expected to undercut premium competitors, while offering similar equipment levels. Compared with vehicles like the BMW X5 xDrive 50e, Mercedes-Benz GLE plug-in hybrid, Volvo XC90 Recharge, Lexus AirX plug-in hybrid, and even the Kia EV9 in certain markets, the Denza M5 delivers remarkable value. Ownership costs also deserve attention. Electricity costs remain significantly lower than gasoline for daily commuting, reducing overall fuel expenses. Routine maintenance should be relatively affordable. Thanks to BYD's growing expertise in electrified vehicles, insurance may be slightly higher because of its premium positioning. Tire replacement for its large wheels won't be inexpensive, and battery-related repairs outside. Warranty could become costly in the distant future. Depreciation remains the biggest unknown since the Denza brand is still establishing itself globally, although improving brand recognition could help resale values over time. The pros are clear: outstanding technology, luxurious interior, efficient plug-in hybrid performance, spacious cabin, attractive styling, and exceptional value make this one of the most compelling premium SUVs in its class. The cons are equally important. Brand recognition still trails established luxury manufacturers. Dealership networks remain limited in some markets. Resale values are less predictable, and driving dynamics aren't as engaging as German performance-focused rivals. So should you buy it? If you're looking for a premium family SUV loaded with technology, luxury, efficiency, and comfort without paying traditional luxury brand prices, the 2027 BYD Denza M5 makes an incredibly convincing case. However, if badge prestige, extensive dealership support, or maximum resale value are your priorities, you may still prefer a German or Japanese alternative. Overall, the 2027 BYD Denza M5 proves that luxury no longer has to come with an enormous price tag. It offers an impressive balance of comfort, innovation, efficiency, and practicality. That makes it one of the smartest premium SUV choices for modern buyers. Subscribe for more automotive analysis because we don't just review cars. We break down whether they actually make sense to buy.